Have you ever stopped to ponder the thin line that separates dreams from reality? It's a line that's often blurred, a line that dances on the edge of our subconscious, teasing us with visions of what could be. Dreams, those ethereal whispers that ignite our hearts with passion, often seem distant, elusive. But reality, the tangible world we navigate daily, is a canvas ready to be painted with the hues of our dreams. Consider the power of a dream. It's more than just a fleeting thought in the sleep-filled night. It's a beacon, a guiding light that can lead us down the path of ambition and determination. It fuels us, drives us, propels us towards the future we envision. And in this dance of dreams and reality, there have been leaders, individuals who dared to cross that line. They harnessed the power of their dreams, painting their reality with the vibrant colors of ambition and persistence. Dreams can become reality, but it doesn't happen by chance. It takes more than just dreaming. Scene script. History is replete with individuals who dared to dream and achieved great feats. Consider Thomas Alva Edison, a man whose dreams extended beyond the confines of the ordinary. He envisioned a world bathed in brilliant light, a world where the darkness of night would be banished by the radiant glow of electric light. His dream was not just a fleeting fancy, but a vision he was resolute to make a reality. Despite 10,000 failed attempts, he never lost sight of his dream. His perseverance finally paid off when he invented the electric light bulb, forever changing the way we illuminate our world. Then there's Martin Luther King Jr., a man of profound conviction. His dream was not just for himself, but for millions who were denied their basic rights because of the color of their skin. He dreamed of a world where racial equality was not just a concept, but a way of life. He envisioned a society where every individual, regardless of their race, would be judged by the content of their character and not the color of their skin. His dream sparked a movement, and his passionate speeches ignited the flames of change. Today, his dream is an integral part of our history and serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come. And let's not forget about the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur. They dared to dream about a world where humans could fly. Despite numerous failures and widespread disbelief, their dream took flight in a small town in North Carolina, forever altering the course of human transportation. These great leaders dared to dream. They dared to envision a world different from the one they knew. They dared to work tirelessly, to face failure, and to persevere in the face of adversity. Their dreams were not just dreams, they were visions they were determined to realize. Their dreams were not just dreams, but visions they were determined to realize. So how do we transform our dreams into reality, just like these great leaders did? That's the question on everyone's mind, isn't it? We've seen the dreamers who dared, the ones who turned the impossible into the possible. Now let's delve into the blueprint to reality. First off, let's get one thing straight. Achieving dreams isn't about wishing on a star. It's not about hoping for the best, crossing your fingers and waiting for your dreams to magically come true. No, it's a lot more than that. It's about setting clear, attainable goals. Imagine your dream as a destination on a map. Without a clear destination, how would you navigate? Setting goals is like pinpointing that destination. It gives you a clear direction, a path to follow. It's the first step in turning your dreams into reality. But setting goals is only the beginning. The road to achieving your dreams is often littered with obstacles. That's where determination comes in. Determination is the fuel that keeps you going, the drive that pushes you to overcome every hurdle that stands in your way. It's the power that propels you forward, even when the road gets rough. And then there's resilience, the ability to keep going, to keep pushing, even when things get tough. Because let's face it, things will get tough. There will be setbacks, there will be failures. But it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up. Resilience is the key to turning failures into stepping stones, setbacks into comebacks. So there you have it, the blueprint to reality. Clear goals, determination, resilience, these are the ingredients to transforming your dreams into reality. But remember, these are just the tools. It's up to you to use them, to take action, to make your dreams come true. Remember, dreams don't work unless you do. So start working on your dream today, and let's make it a reality.